Homecrest Outdoor Living is based in Wadena, Minnesota. Founded in 1953, Homecrest is family-owned and has built a reputation over 65 years for exceptional quality, extreme comfort, and beautiful design. At Homecrest, our heavy-walled, custom aluminum extrusions are manufactured in the United States and feature internal reinforcements for superior strength. Every piece of Homecrest furniture is made to order and is handcrafted with care on location in Wadena. Our skilled technicians spend years honing their craft and take great pride in creating quality components that last for generations. From receipt of order through to final shipment, we are pleased to build custom furniture for your customer from the ground up in 4 weeks or less. This is possible thanks to our craftsmen and women who invest time and attention in every detail, going the extra mile to ensure a high-quality fit and finish of every component. Welding jigs are custom-made at Homecrest for each unique welding operation performed on every piece of furniture we produce. Our welders have decades of experience making quality outdoor furniture in Wadena. A robotic welder is used for high-volume products with simple operations. Robot jigs are built on site in Wadena, ensuring a high degree of precision and repeatability. When welding operations are completed, units are moved into the buffing area, where welds are precision ground to present a seamless surface for paint application. Once buffing is complete, zinc end caps are added to the appropriate pieces, and a final buff and clean operation is performed. Following welding and buffing, frames go to the paint staging area to be added to the paint line. The first stage in the painting process is a pre-wash to remove any surface contaminants. This is followed by a detergent wash, 2 rinse cycles, chemical etching for optimal paint adhesion, and a final rinse to remove any chemicals. The frames continue along the paint line to the electrostatic chamber. High-quality polyester powders are charged positive while the frame is negative, causing the powder to cling to the frame. Skilled technicians fully coat all sides, corners, and crevices of the frame, ensuring a durable and long-lasting finish that is both fade and impact resistant. The frames move on to the oven, where the paint cures for 22 minutes at a temperature of 420 degrees Fahrenheit or 216 degrees Celsius. Every sling and cushion casing that Homecrest produces has an engineered cut file, which is precision cut by a computerized cutter to the unit's exact specifications. All of our sewing professionals bring a wealth of training and experience to the soft goods department. In everything they do, from sewing small zippers to tailoring enormous infinity slings, they work with an eye for the detail and precision that is required at the upper end of the marketplace. In addition to the quality finishing of current products, our sewing team produces beautiful replacement slings and cushions for collections that go back as far as 30 years. Did you know that Homecrest invented the padded sling? Our unique perimeter stitch pattern is an update on the original and allows for faster drying time and increased comfort. Our water-resistant, high-resilient foam Dreamcore cushions pair extreme comfort with incredible weatherability. Dreamcore back cushions feature individual channels into which non-porous polyester fiber is machine-blown. Each channel is then weighed for accuracy to provide the utmost in comfort and support to every user. At Homecrest, we take table technology seriously. From composites to resin, from sheet metal to aluminum slats, we consistently produce high-quality tables that are both on-trend and exceptionally tough. We make all of the molds for our popular Natural Series tables on site in Wadena. Marine-grade gel coats are applied as the first layer in the mold, ensuring extreme UV resistance and providing a baseline for each table's unique coloration. Homecrest uses a proprietary mixture of polyester resin and calcium carbonate, which provides significantly greater material stability than urethane, which is broadly used in the industry. When the mixture is ready, it is then hand-poured by 2 technicians into the mold, and the resin is carefully spread to all corners of the mold. When the first layer is poured, a boot is then added with 200 pounds of weight for stability, and the outer rim is poured. Without this step, the tables would be too heavy to lift. Upon completion of the rim, the tables cure until they are ready to move on to finishing. The first stage of hand finishing is an application of a specialized latex-based paint. This layer coats the texture created by the mold, providing a secondary base color to coordinate with the gel coat. To create a natural-looking finish in the surface, an acetone wipe is performed next. This allows for natural highs and lows of the colors to be revealed and creates a realistic finish that mimics natural slate in this case, or reclaimed wood in our popular timber series. Finally, a nano coat finish is applied to provide extra UV protection along with superior stain and scratch resistance. Once components are fabricated, welded, and painted, once slings and cushions are sewn, and once tabletops are finished, our fabulous assembly team has the job of putting it all together. If your organization does a lot of business in replacement slings, take a look at how much easier the job is on an inclined table. Keeping the bucket supported upside down both in the insertion of the sling rails and in the mounting of the arms makes the process simpler, whether in Wadena or in your own warehouse. Our popular air products go through several steps of assembly, from stretching the casing over the internal frame, building tension at the bottom with industrial ties, using a heat gun at frame mounting points to prevent any future damage, and closing up the bottom panel to create a clean, finished product. Prior to packaging, polycarbonate floor glides are added to the legs of tables and stationary chairs, as well as to the bottoms of all swivel bases. These glides protect both the furniture frame and the surface it is on against scratching, and are tested to 50,000 abrasion strokes to assure years of commercial and residential usage. Once assembly is complete, finished units move to packaging. All of our Natural Series tables receive strong foam protection on rims and corners, and a thick protective layer is glued to the underside of the box top to minimize rubbing in transit. All of our boxes are custom cut by an industrial pack size machine to the precise sizes of the hundreds of SKUs that Homecrest produces. Once the box is cut and assembled, the packaging team takes great care in wrapping and protecting every piece of furniture that is handled prior to shipment. All of our product development, engineering, and tooling is performed by our design team in Wadena. From earliest prototyping through to the building of new tools and jigs, we are proud to develop all of our products in-house in the USA. We subject all of our products, both current and in new development, to rigorous testing. Our patented swivel rock mechanism is routinely tested to 1 million rock cycles with 150 pounds of weight added to each seat. We apply engineering metrics to all of our fabric cut files, and we use a Tinius-Olson machine to measure the strength of both sling and acrylic fabrics. Shortwave UV testing, whose rays are much more severe than what we experience at the Earth's surface, is performed routinely on paint powders, resins, and composites, Finally, all chair models, from the smallest cafe chair to the largest cuddle swivel rocker, are subjected to UL drop testing. As we reflect on over 65 years of manufacturing quality furniture in Wadena, Minnesota, we know that the heartbeat of our company is our people. We're a family. And like all families, we know that good things come from dedication, teamwork, and having fun together. We value your trust in us and commit to supporting you in every way we can, every step of the way. Welcome to the family.